Okay, we're almost done now. Can you see all the breaks in each of my shapes? Hopefully you can spot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 breaks, one in each of my outlines. The next step for us is to change these slots from being super thin to being the right thickness for the wood that we're going to be using. What that means is we need to make these slots wider to accommodate the thickness of wood that we're going to be slotting together. It's quite a simple process, but there's a bit of preparation we're going to do beforehand. The first thing that we're going to need to do is to make the lines, ensure that they cross outside of the outline of the animal. And what I mean by that, if I zoom in a little bit, I'm going to just extend this line just a little bit so that it goes beyond the outline of the shape. You see how that goes outside? This is going to be important because otherwise when we outline the shape it may not go all the way through our animal. I'll show you what I mean a little bit later. But we do need to be careful to make sure that these outlines, that these slots don't cross into another shape. For example, we would not want them to do this. That would be very bad. So we do want them just to make sure that they cross outside of the shape for each one of these outlines. Now if you find it keeps snapping to a lot of different things, see these green guides that are trying to be helpful, if you find it keeps snapping to stuff, then turn those guides off by clicking on Smart Guides. That will hide them away from what we're doing. Okay, and that will allow you then to make sure that you draw those lines right where you want them all to be. This is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back when I've done it all.